Firstly, determine the direction of opening the door, using auxiliary posting paper to unlock holes. Install the strike plate.
The lock body can be adjusted to lengths of 60 and 70 mm. Please choose according to the length of the door panel opening. Take out the lock body and make sure the top is facing upward. Install the lock body to the door panel. Tighten lock body mounting screws.
Install the mounting stud. Notes: locking bar, keep vertical when installing. Install the front panel vertically into the lock body. Unscrew the back panel assemble screw. Remove the back panel parts. Ensure that these two parts match perfectly. Start to install the back panel. Main cable passes through the square hole below. Take out two panel assemble screw. Ensure that the panel parts are parallel to the door. Tighten the screws completely. Adjust your door opening direction. Knob button is horizontal for left opening door. Knob button is vertical for right opening door. Connect main cable. Gently tuck the remaining cable to the side of the tailpiece. Install the back panel onto the fixed plate. Can the rotary switch be turned on? If can't, the direction of the knob is incorrect. Return to adjust direction. Tighten the back panel assemble screw. Push upwards to open the battery cover. Tighten it with back panel assemble screw. Please place the wires properly. App setting is same as actual after installation. Install the battery cover. There will be a corresponding unlocking sound.
Enter unlock. Initialization. Succeed. Bluetooth distribution network is enabled.